Hi followers, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete Instagram account permanently. This tutorial is very useful for you who wants to delete Instagram account permanently, and this action is irreversible. Once you have deleted your account, you will never make it back. So make sure that you have download or copy your photos, your videos, and also your stories and reels on Instagram. If you have been sure to delete your account, let's go to the tutorial. For the first, make sure that your phone has been connected to the internet, and then just open Instagram account. After opening Instagram account, just click your profile picture on the bottom right corner. And then you can see on the top right corner, there is 3-dot line menu, and then just tap this. And then tap settings. In the settings, you can tap help. In the help, you can choose help center. We are directed to Help Center website. And then you can see on the top right corner, there is 3-dot line menu. Just tap this. In the Help Center menu here, you can choose Manage Your Account. In Manage Your Account, you can choose to delete your account. Delete your account. When you delete your account, your profile, photos, videos, comments, likes, and followers will be permanently removed. You can also choose to take a break and temporarily disable your account instead. There are two options for you. The first is to delete permanently your account. The second is to take a break or just disable your account. And in the next time, you can reactivate your account. If you want to permanently delete your account, just follow my tutorial. In this page, just tap how do I delete my Instagram account. And then you can just to scroll down. To request the permanent deletion of your account, before deleting your account, you may want to log in and download a copy of your information, such as your photos, posts from Instagram. After your account has been deleted, you will not have access to Instagram's data download tool. Okay, after copying all data, photos, videos, reels, stories, you can just tap delete your account. If you want a break from Instagram, you can temporarily disable your account instead of deleting this. Instagram still giving you options. Do you still want to delete permanently or just to disable? If you choose to disable your account, your Instagram profile will not be appeared, and the next time you will be reactivate your Instagram account. But if you choose to permanently delete your account will not be able to reactivate. Okay, if you want to delete your account permanently, choose why do you want to delete. You can choose here what is your reason. Why do you choose to delete your account? I will choose something else. And then here you can re-enter your password. After entering your password, you can choose delete your account. After deleting your account will be permanently deleted. You will not be able to reactivate your Instagram account again. Thank you. If this tutorial is useful for you, I hope you can like this video and also share this video to your friends. And also, if you have not subscribed to Fauhow channel, just smash the red button and also turn on notification by tapping the bell icon. So, if I upload new videos about social media tutorial, you are the first person who will be notified by me and you can enjoy my video. Thank you.